For a fast, easy, and effective way to keep your lawn always looking its best, try the Sunjo TRJ13STE electric trimmer edger. Sunjo starts instantly and reliably with the push of a button, and because it's electric, there's never a need to mess with gas, oil, or tune-ups, or worry about maintenance and toxic emissions. The powerful 4-amp motor cuts a crisp 13-inch swath, while the built-in flower guard prevents accidental trimmer contact with delicate plants and foliage. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the 180-degree rotating head quickly converts from trimming to edging, combining the convenience of 2 tools in one dynamic device. Sunjo's convenient auto-feed feature always ensures you'll have the right length of line to continue cutting without interruption, and the adjustable handle provides maximum comfort and control. And every Sunjo's backed by a full 2-year warranty for performance and reliability you can count on season after season. For trouble-free trimming, go with Joe, the TRJ13STE electric trimmer edger from Sunjo. Get equipped.